SpaceX is about to reach a mind-boggling milestone in space exploration. Today they're launching their 10,000th Starlink satellite into orbit, marking a significant step in their ambitious project. But this isn't just any launch. It's a testament to SpaceX's relentless pursuit of global internet coverage. A Falcon 9 rocket, carrying a staggering 28 Starlink internet satellites, is set to blast off from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. This launch, scheduled for a 4-hour window opening at 7:46 p.m. EDT, or 4:46 p.m. local time, will be a spectacle to behold. And the best part, you can witness this historic moment live via SpaceX's website or X account. SpaceX has been steadily building its Starlink constellation since the launch of the first 2 prototypes in February 2018. Fast forward to today, and they've already sent 9,988 Starlink satellites into space, with astrophysicist Jonathan McDowell keeping a keen eye on the count. This launch will push that number past the 10,000 mark, an achievement that's sure to turn heads. Starlink's journey began with a public beta test in October 2020, offering internet services for the first time. Since then, SpaceX has been on a mission to expand its reach, launching an incredible 89 Starlink missions in 2024 alone. And they're not slowing down. With permission to launch 12,000 satellites and a potential mega constellation of over 30,000 spacecraft, SpaceX is set to revolutionize global connectivity. But here's where it gets fascinating. Of the nearly 10,000 Starlink satellites launched, an impressive 8,610 remain operational, according to McDowell. The rest? They've been deorbited, safely guided back to Earth's atmosphere. Each satellite has a lifespan of around 5 years, so this constant replenishment is crucial to maintaining the network's strength. And there's more to this launch than meets the eye. If all goes as planned, the Falcon 9's first stage will return to Earth, landing on SpaceX's drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, just 8.5 minutes after liftoff. This will mark the 11th launch and safe touchdown for this booster, designated 1088. As the rocket's upper stage continues its journey, it will deploy the 28 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit, approximately 60 minutes post-launch. It's a complex dance of precision and technology, and you can be a part of it by joining the space forums to discuss this and other exciting space missions. So, will SpaceX's Starlink project change the way we connect globally? Is this the future of internet access? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.